Hello, Randy Rain here, and I have another TOMY Sylvanian Family Storyteller. This is the little bear, and it's the little girl. This is the cutest things. I have several of these. I have pretty much all of them, I think. But they really made these really well. The little costumes are absolutely adorable. They're not cheaply made at all. No way you would get anything like this today. So yeah, I have all of these, and I don't need this one. So let's get this one working, get it on eBay. This one's not in too bad of shape, besides being dirty. The battery compartment has some corrosion in it, but doesn't look like enough to destroy it or anything. I don't think I have to remake any of that. But there's 3 screws here. Then you have to do a lobotomy. And then you have to go up the rear here. And now we should be able to open it up. Uh-oh. It doesn't look like a lot of corrosion, but it does look like it has moved up to there. I've seen this before. This isn't good. Well, that wire just broke. Yeah, that's not looking too good. It's usually just this gear that's broken, which it is. Everything else doesn't look too bad. This is all about to break, and just break it. I'm going to use some of this chlor and just drop this whole thing in there. And you can see it going to town already. This is absolutely bad. Got all the way down into the switch. All these wires are gone. I'm going to take this switch out, break it free. It's melted in place here. So I'm going to drop that in there too. Push here. Push here. Nope, that one just broke. So that one's got to be remade. Let's put these in there. Okay, let's see. With this thing, these eyes pop out. Now we undo the screws. There's 2 gears on either side here. No, these look fine. This motor out of here. Oh no, this one's no good. Yeah, usually it's just these that's the problem. I'm going to try something a little different this time. I'm going with regular WD-40. And the motor looks actually in good shape. Now you can't leave it like that, and I've been putting just 3-in-1 oil, but now I'm going with WD-40 white lithium grease. Now these are 6-volt motors, but if you just put a 9-volt on there just for a little while, it'll be fine. There you go, one. You gotta get it going, let it go for a little while. And put a new 10-tooth gear on there. hit this with some alcohol and try to clean it up a little bit more. The thing that goes is this little variable resistor here when it gets all corroded. Okay, that shows nothing. No resistance. And that is, what, 10 ohms? That's it, 10 ohms. Alright, this is a 20K potentiometer. I'm going to poke that in right there. Alright, I'm going to take this transistor out right here. Then I'm going to replace it with this one. This is an obsolete transistor, a PN4122. I have no earthly idea if this will work or not. It's the right kind. It is a NPN transistor, but the pinout is wrong. These two are reversed. Alright, if this fixes it, I'll be shocked. Test, test? Test, test? Test? Uh-oh. Give me a break. Boop, boop, boop. Hello. Hello. I believe I am working. I'm surprised I got this thing going, but I'll tell you how I did it. These resistors, they're going to be burnt or corroded or something like that for them not to work. Same thing with these ceramic capacitors here. They'll be split, cracked, or something like that if they're not working. Same with this big capacitor. It'll be bulging, it'll be leaking, something like that if it's not working. And then there's this variable resistor here that I did replace. You could see that it was bad and it was corroded. So I replaced it. This transistor here is the one connected to the motor, and that's the one that's switching the motor on. And when I put power to it, it would automatically go on. So like it was stuck open. And it was next to the corrosion. So that was my first choice to go looking into. And that happened to be the one. Alright, so that switch completely fell apart. I found this one, but it's too wide. But I wonder if I can take this apart and then trim that down so it can fit in here. I think I can get it to work. I'm getting somewhere, I think. I hope. Wonder. This one pin's not being used. So, can I solder it to the switch? Now for this little battery terminal here, these are the ones that are kind of hard to make. You can do it, they're kind of a pain. And maybe. Alright, that should be it. So I'm going to hook these positive to the switch. That's the way they had it. Working. Yeah. Test. Woo! Woo. Oh, yeah, that's better. Well, that was a lot more work than I expected it to be, and I thought it was a goner there for a while, but it actually works. It actually works very well. You ready to see it? Here we go.
Ain't nobody but. Who the speck is?
It sounds like Charlie. It is my man,
sweet Papa Charlie Gray. Yo, man, how do you get that way? Now, look here, honey. I've been had that man for 15 years. Child, don't you know I'll turn your damper down? Yes, Clara, and I'll cut you every way but loose. Well, you might rather get it fixed. Well, then, I guess we got to have him on cooperation plan. I guess we got to have him on cooperation plan. Bessie, Clara, ain't nothing different. All they know was two-time man. How about it? Suits me. Well, dear.
So there it is, the miracle TOMY Sylvanian Family's Storytelling Bear. It's on eBay right now, starting at a low bid. If you want to help the channel, go throw down a bid and get a cool toy. Anyway, if you like this video, I sure would appreciate a big thumbs up. If you want to see more, of course, hit the subscribe button. I want to thank these people. These are the patrons. These are the people bringing you this stuff. I couldn't do any of this stuff without them, so I thank them oh so very much. And I just appreciate it oh so very much. And if you'd like to become one of these people, help me and keep me going, well, of course, there's links and all that stuff anyway. But there it is. Thanks for watching, everyone.